Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ledger without a journal. This method simplifies bookkeeping for small businesses or personal finances. Instead of recording transactions in a journal first, you'll post them directly to the appropriate ledger accounts. This approach saves time and reduces steps, making your financial tracking more efficient. We'll focus on practical application, ensuring you can implement this easy method right away. First, set up your ledger accounts. You'll need accounts for assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. For example, create accounts for cash, bank, accounts receivable, and various expense categories. Each account should have a clear title and a designated space for debits and credits. Think of each ledger page as a T account, with debits on the left and credits on the right. This structure is fundamental. Now, let's record transactions directly. When you have a transaction, like receiving $500 in cash for service, you'll debit the cash account and credit the service revenue account. If you pay a $100 utility bill, you'll debit utilities expense and credit cash or bank. The key is to immediately identify the two affected accounts and post the corresponding debit and credit entries. This keeps your books balanced. Finally, balance and review your ledgers. At the end of a period, sum up all debits and credits in each account to find its balance. For instance, if cash had $1,000 in debits and $300 in credits, its balance is $700. Then, create a trial balance by listing all account balances. Total debits must equal total credits. This step ensures accuracy and helps identify any errors before preparing financial statements.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.